दोस्तों, शिक्षा जितनी ली जाए उतनी ही कम है। एक ज़माना हुआ करता था जब लोग शायद ग्रेजुएट होना अपने आप को बहुत बड़ी बात समझते थे, लेकिन जिस जिस तरीके से समय बदला, लोग शिक्षा में थोड़े से और आगे निकले और ज़्यादा जो है शिक्षा की तरफ लोगों की जब रुचि बढ़ी तो लोगों का इंटरेस्ट हुआ एमफिल या पीएचडी की तरफ। तो आजकल जो है एक तरीके से चलन भी है और ज़रूरी भी है अपने अपने शिक्षा क्षेत्र के अंदर माहिर होना, उस क्षेत्र के अंदर डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री को हासिल करना हर तरीके से फ़ायदेमंद भी है और ज़रूरी भी है। खैर, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में पीएचडी को लेकर के ख़ास तौर से बहुत सारे डाउट्स बने रहते हैं कि कैसे करें, क्या जो है इसके अंदर होने वाला है, या बहुत सारे सवाल हैं। आज उन्हीं सवालों का जवाब जो है मैं आपके सामने रखने वाली हूँ और जिसमें मेरी सहायता करेंगे डॉक्टर संजीव एंड डॉक्टर चैनिका, जो दोनों के दोनों मेरे साथ हैं। सबसे पहला सवाल डॉक्टर संजीव से, जो कि पीएचडी इन केमिस्ट्री भी हैं और उसके अलावा यहाँ पर प्रोफेसर भी हैं, और उसके अलावा अगर बात करें तो सर मुझे ये बताइए कि एमफिल है या पीएचडी है या जो रिसर्च रिलेटेड जो कोर्सेज हैं उनमें क्या कुछ खास रहता है?
जी मैम, सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम जुलाई 2019।
हाँ।
तो सबसे पहला स्टेप है इसका कि entrance test, that is according to UGC norms, UGC rules and regulations. So there are some conditions means given by UGC. 55% marks is necessary for the general students, and there is a 5% relaxation for SC/ST candidate, non-creamy layer. Non-creamy layer. So after that, qualifying score is 50% after giving the entrance test. 55% is necessary for everyone.
मैम, आपसे मैं बातचीत करना चाहूँगी। मैम पीएचडी हैं माइक्रोबायोलॉजी के अंदर, तो मैम मुझे ये बताइए कि अगर ओम स्टर्लिंग ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी की हम बात करें तो किस किस तरीके के कोर्सेज जो है आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड करवाती है?
जी, see, in this university we are offering a variety of courses, right from the PhD courses in sciences, which includes the basic sciences like physics, chemistry, mathematics. Then we have the life sciences, botany, zoology, microbiology, environmental sciences, biochemistry. Similarly, if we move on to the aspects of management, commerce, then social sciences, humanities, over there we have the languages, Hindi, Sanskrit, English. Then we have political sciences, economics, history, geography. Similarly, pharmaceutical sciences is there, fine arts is there. So you are going to find a plethora of different courses that we are offering in the PhD programs. And depending on the qualifications as well as the interest of the student, they can apply and they can join with us.
Right. चलिए, ये तो बात हुई कोर्सेज के, द कोर्सेज विच आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय योर यूनिवर्सिटी. आफ्टर दैट, हाउ डज योर यूनिवर्सिटी हेल्प इन राइट लाइक इन रिसर्च वर्क, इन राइटिंग अ बुक एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स?
Actually, we are providing means to the student 4 courses, means 4 subjects.
All right.
Yeah. So first one is research methodology.
Okay.
So we means giving the some means necessary point to the students. They are learning from the class. Teacher means give the notes in the class, how to write the hypothesis, how to prepare the synopsis, how to write the books, how to write a paper in the journal. So also we are giving a more subject newly introduced by UGC in 2019, December 2019, that is research ethics. So there is so many misconduct during the research. So they also learn in the class during their coursework program. That is for 6 months, for 1 semester only. So yeah, after that there is some exam of the means PhD and as well as for MPhil student. So after clearing the exam, 55% conditions again necessary for every student.
Okay.
So after that there is 2 steps. DRC, that is Departmental Research Committee. Then RDC, Research Degree Committee, in the presence of external expert. So they prepare their synopsis and proposal means prepared by the student. So they learn so many things in the class and as well as in the labs also. So we are providing good infrastructure and labs to the students in our university. And we have also collaborated research in different universities and some NITs and central universities. So student also can means take a co-guide from that institutions also.
So what are your suggestions to those students who wants to pursue an MPhil or PhD?
You see, at this juncture, PhD is absolutely essential for anybody
Right.
who is interested for going in the academic field.
True.
In fact, as per the Government of India guidelines, PhD is becoming mandatory for assistant professor jobs in university. Although owing to COVID, the time relaxation has been provided, but it is becoming mandatory. So if you want to go for academics, PhD is necessary. And apart from that, not only from the point of view of career, PhD does not only mean that you get a degree and then you go for a job.
True.
PhD is about knowledge synthesis. Because in the undergraduate or the postgraduate courses, you are learning something, you are grabbing the concept, but how you are going to apply that in the real world scenario and how that is going to be beneficial for the overall society. This is one of the major aspects that we consider that a student must keep in his or her mind when he or she is pursuing for the PhD.
Right. Many of our viewers are watching you, and some of them maybe wants to pursue in PhD, and they are confused that where should we go for the PhD courses and where should we pursue. Being a professor in OSGU, what would you like to say them?
If you are really interested in pursuing research, then OSGU is your destination. We'll be guiding you, we'll be providing you with the basic facilities as well as an OSGU, and I would say that we are going to be there with you throughout the entire journey of your PhD and higher academic degree. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us. Well, thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us, and thank you to you too, sir, for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.